Hey, what's up, SafeMoon holder? So this is the latest and very urgent update, my friends, for SafeMoon holder, because SafeMoon starting moving upward, definitely after a very bad fall, my friend. This time all crypto market falls down, my friend, but definitely SafeMoon as well as the unique coin today starting moving upward. So what's the prediction? What's the update, my friend, of SafeMoon? Everything discussed in this video, very important. So kindly don't skip any second of this video. But before I get started this video, I request you to click out the subscribe button and press bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much. Alright, you can see here, my friend, the last 24 hour chart is on the screen, and they absolutely change occur as a positive. Plus 7.73% they change occur just in only in the last 24 hour, my friend. And the price is very cheap, 0.0001 USD dollar, my friend. The price this time you can see here, but just in only in the last 24 hour, my friend, the price comes to 0.009 USD dollar. So very fastly moving upward, my friend. The price is going now, and they absolutely give you a very good profit, my friend, just and only in upcoming 24 hour. I hope, my friend, at the end of month they give you 0.1 USD dollar if they starting upward like this. Absolutely, SafeMoon is viral coin, my friend. Just in only I think 60 days ago, my friends, to yes, something like 60 days ago, my friends, to SafeMoon is launched now. It's been 2 months, 3 months ago, my friend, to SafeMoon is launched now. Therefore, my friend, I give you guarantee, my friend, to SafeMoon as go in the moon, my friend, and definitely they give you very good profit, my friend, just in only at the end of this month. So kindly, my friend, if we check out this time the last 3 months chart, then exactly, my friend, you can see here just in only at the first 1 week, my friend, you can see here they starting move, they take a very good jump, my friend, and after fails, my friends, they also fails down. You can see here after a big jump, and the second week they fails down. May 3, you can see here this time the change occurred now, but this is the start of month, so definitely at the start of month every cryptocurrency fails down, but after a fails, my friend, I hope they're starting moving upward and they go in the moon. So definitely the good jumps now change occur now, and I hope, my friends, the prediction is that to upcoming times they're moving upward. So SafeMoon holder, don't do this mistake. Kindly don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope they make you a millionaire. Thanks for watching, SafeMoon holder. Hope you this update is going to be very good from you. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and please share your opinion in the comment box, because this is selling time, holding time, or buying time.